Welcome to our comparison of two exciting mini drones. Today, we will take a closer look at the Foldable mini drone and the Velcase drone, both equipped with impressive 1080p HD cameras. We'll explore their features, usability, and performance to determine which drone is the best fit for you. Whether you're a beginner or looking for a fun gadget, stay tuned as we dive into this comparison. Let's start with the design of both drones. The Foldable mini drone boasts a compact design, making it easy to handle and store. Its sleek appearance is complemented by a modern aesthetic, perfect for both adults and youth. On the other hand, the Velcase drone features a foldable design, which enhances its portability. This makes it an excellent choice for users who are always on the go. Both designs cater to different needs, but they both prioritize user-friendliness. Next, we will compare the flight stability of both drones. The Foldable mini drone offers basic stability features, which are suitable for beginners. However, the Velcase drone takes it a step further with its optical flow positioning system, providing enhanced stability during flight. This feature is particularly beneficial for new users who may struggle with controlling their drone in windy conditions. Overall, the Velcase drone offers a more stable flying experience. Finally, let's look at the accessories that come with each drone. The Foldable mini drone includes two batteries, which provide extended flight time, but not much else in terms of accessories. In contrast, the Velcase drone comes with a carrying case, making it easier to transport, along with two batteries for longer flying sessions. This comprehensive accessory package enhances the overall value of the Velcase drone, making it a more appealing option for users looking for convenience. In conclusion, both the Foldable mini drone and the Velcase drone offer unique features that cater to different users. The Foldable mini drone is compact and easy to use, while the Velcase drone provides enhanced stability and a foldable design for portability. Depending on your needs, either drone could be the right choice for you. If you enjoyed this comparison, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.